So we're going to talk a little bit about the OV Feats, the public transport bicycle, and remanufacturing.
Yes.
So what is it that this bike design makes it good for remanufacturing?
Yeah, as we already said that the components are less, so it's even easier to remanufacturing.
So fewer parts,
Yeah.
easier to reman.
Yeah, remanufacturing means that you rebuild the products, and so, for example, here the frame is when it gets really bad damage, you will take back all the products that are, for example, the wheel or the pedals or all the other products, and put in another frame.
Okay, so hold on, let's unpack this a little bit. So we've got some parts on here that are going to wear and are going to need to be replaced. I guess if this comes in for remanufacturing and this seat is ripped,
Yes.
or got some holes here where it's fallen over, or like where these little rubber grips or the bell maybe, those parts could be taken off and replaced,
Yeah,
right, in remanufacturing. But there are some core components, like all the metal work here looks really robust. And that could be stripped back, repainted, reused over and over again every time. What about the wheels as well? What is it you told me about the wheels? They look pretty strong.
Yeah, they can be changed.
Oh, so the tires would come off, you'd replace those.
Right.
But this could stay.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
All right, and the dynamo as well. So there's all these key components where the energy and the materials embedded in that could go through a remanufacturing process. And just remind me, a remanufacturing process, what do you get out of the end? The bike is as good, if not better, than new.
Yeah, it's
Cool. That's fantastic. So it's like having a new bike over and over and over again.
Yeah.
But the design of this was different than the design of this one, which wasn't designed for remanufacturing.
No, it wasn't.
No, because of the parts. It's more light, of course it's light. I mean, it's a lovely lightweight bicycle and it's designed well for racing, but it's not designed, if you tried to use this as a OV Feats, it would be a disaster.
Yeah, it will be, because it's really hard to fix and remanufacture and take all the parts out from the frame.
Yeah, I can see it. It's really good. Well, thanks very much. That's cool.